Hello student, this question comes in GATE 2014, 2 marks. Consider the 4 schedules due to 3 transactions indicated by the subscript using the read and write operation denote on data item X denoted by the RX and WX. Getting my point? Means this show the read X and this show the write X. Clear? And which of the following is conflict serializable? These are the given, so you can check one by one. When for a option A, that is read X, R1X, R2X, W1X, R3X and W2X. Now you can see here there is a cycle between T1 to T2 and T2 to T1. Getting my point? T1 to T2 and T2 to T1 there is a cycle, and there is a also cycle is created. From one cycle is created, then you can directly say this is not conflict serializable. How you check? Just make a precedence graph T1, T2 and T3, read X, after that yes there is a write, and for T2 to T1 read, then yes, then T1 to T3, T1 to T3, T3 to T1 no, and then T1 T2 to T3, just T3 to T2. But there is a one cycle, then you directly say it is not conflict. So A is not conflict. Then we are talking about the B. This one is the S2, yeah, we can say option B. R2X means transaction number 2, read X, read X, write X, read X, write X. Getting my point? Then we'll check T1 to T2 and T2 to T1. You can clearly see there is a cycle between T1 to T2 and T2 to T1, so it is also not conflict serializable. Then we check about the C option. Here you can make for C. First one is R3X means transaction number 3, read X, then R2X, then R1X, then W2X. Means W2X means in transaction number 2 you perform the write X and W1X. Then you can clearly see there is a cycle between T1 and T2, because read X, write X, write X and write X are the conflict instruction, and make a graph from T1 to T2 and T2 to T1. So it is a cycle, so it is not conflict serializable. So if the answer may be D is the right answer, or none of them we can say, but none of them not in the answer, but फिर भी अपन इसको चेक करेंगे. Read X, write X, read X, R1X, W1X. We make a graph. First we check from T1 to T2 for a X, no age. T2 to T1, yes there is a age from T2 to T1. Now we will check for between T1 and T3. T1 and T3 no age, T3 to T1 there is a age. Then we check about the T2 T3, then T2 to T3 there is a age. Getting my point? And T3 to T2 there is a no age. So here you can see this not make a cycle, and this is conflict serializable. The order is T2, T3 and T1. Getting my point? T2, T3 and T1. You make a precedence graph in this way also. So this schedule is conflict serializable because it not contain any cycle. So D is the right answer. Getting my point? So what is the right answer? D is the right answer. This is a conflict serializable. Clear? Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.